Toyota Camry is the most successful sedan in the segment, over the boost in height years, 8 years, and Toyota indicated the vehicle version of the last generation account for the vehicle version. About 5% of car sales, with reliable expectation that this percentage will rise to 7% this year. The new updates for the 2023 models come in their trends as technical addition, especially with regard to safety and security system, as the Camry 2023 received the Toyota Interactive Safety System Big Shiged 2.5 with the launch of a speckle night shade version, which will be offered on the basis of the SE class standard. The new version, with we can consider a lower price tag than with Sport TRD version, gets the some 9-inch. Don't like videos and subscribe channel and comment down. Thank you.